Hello, good day. Thank you for watching this video. We will get to it as soon as we finish with this short intro. Today is about some simple greetings or phrases in Chuukese and some numbers. So we'll do 1 to 20 today. So again, I'll see you back after the intro. Welcome back. Again, thank you for following this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe and like button below. That will help the algorithm on YouTube to spread this video. Hopefully it helps you today. If you have anybody or you know someone that's from the islands of Chuuk or that speaks the language Chuukese, these simple phrases will help you at least make some communication. And also numbers 1 to 20. You'll know some numbers by the end of this video, hopefully. All right, let's get to it. So let's start with the numbers 1 through 10. And then after that, we'll do the 11 to 20. All right, so 1, Ewer. 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 2, Ru. 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 3, Unungat. 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 4, Ruanu. 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 5, Nimu. 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 6, Oru. 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 7, Fisu. 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 8, Wanu. 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 9, Tiu. 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 And then 10, Engon. 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 So now we're done 1 to 10. So now we say Engon, and then we say the number 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9, and then 20. So here we go. 11, Engon me Ewer. Engon me Ewer. Engon me Ewer. 12, Engon me Ru. Engon me Ru. Engon me Unungat. Oh, Engon me Ru. 13, Engon me Unungat. Engon me Unungat. Engon me Unungat. 14, Engon me Ruanu. Engon me Ruanu. Engon me Ruanu. 15, Engon me Nimu. Engon me Nimu. Engon me Nimu. 16, Engon me Oru. Engon meoru. Engon moru. 17. Engon me Fisu. Engon me Fisu. Engon me Fisu. 18. Engon me Waru. Engon me Waru. Engon me Waru. 19. Engon me Tiu. Engon me Tiu. Engon me Tiu. Engon me Tiu. And then 20. Rue. 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 So I know a lot of the words are a little bit of a tongue twister. So hopefully I pronounced the numbers correctly, and take your time, pause the video if you have to. So now we're gonna go to the greetings. Simple greetings in Chuukese. So I'm looking at my notes here. Hello. Rerenim. Rerenim. Ren enim. How are you? Ifa usum. Ifa usum. Ifa usum. Good morning. Nesor enim. Nesor enim. Nesorenim. Good afternoon. Neanowas enim. Neanowas enim. Neanowas enim. Good evening. Nepwong enim. Nepwong enim. Nepwong. Goodbye. If you're leaving and you're saying it to one person, you say kere nam. Kere nam. Kere nam. The same thing, if you're leaving and you're saying it to now more than one person, you say ore no. Ore no. Ore no. Now, if you're staying and you're saying it to one person, you say kere no. Kere no. Querero. Now again, if you're staying and you're saying it to more than one person and they're leaving, you say ore no. Ore no. Orero. You are welcome. Kose pon afenni. Kose pon afenni. Kose pon afenni. What's going on? Mit pros. Mit pros. Mit pros. Let's eat. Sa mange. Sa mange. Sa mange. What's your name? Ifa itong. Ifa itong. Ifa itong. that's the end of our greetings. So again, thank you so much for following this channel. Again, if you haven't already, please click that subscribe buttons for more videos to come. If you have some phrases or words you'd like me to translate for you, please hit me up. You can put it down in the comments below. Thank you so much. Y'all take care.